Para sa Mexico,
Syempre.
Nice,
Syempre. So, how's my parents and my brothers?
Ayun, miss na miss ka na nila. Sobra. Ano yan? Diretso ka na yan iligan bukas?
Probably not. Kasi I was thinking of something new. I was thinking of mag-shopping. Kaya lang, every time that I go there, I was always buying some imported products and some products here in Manila. I was trying to buy something new.
Gusto mo try mo yung North meets South shopping style?
North meets South shopping style? What's that? Ngayon ko lang narinig yun
North meets South. Bibili ka dito ng native products galing sa Luzon na wala dun kanila tita. Parang Manila meets Iligan, ganun.
Ooh, cool! So, alam mo ba kung saan matatagpuan yun? Baka naman mamaya kung saan tayo magpunta niyan.
Magbibigay ba naman ako ng advice kung hindi ko alam kung paano hanapin? Siyempre naman alam ko. Gusto mo samahan pa kita
Wow! I'm so excited! Tara na! Tara na! Tara na!
Teka lang! Dito tayo!
Marami rin pala mga native products dito. Yung iba nga, ngayon ko na nakita at wala talaga sa province namin to.
Ang saya talaga dito! Grabe, ang dami mo naman pinamili. Panigurado matutuwa nito sila tita sa probinsya.
Sure!
Taxi, diretso ka ba sa amin ngayon?
Sure! Gusto ko rin makita sila tita ngayon. Sandali parang meron pa kasing kulang Let me see nga. May alam ka ba mga iba pang native products at mga native handicrafts dito sa Manila?
Ayun, meron sa may central mismo ng Maynila. Tara, tatawag na ako ng taxi, diretso na tayo dun.
Sige, sure. Wow! Look at that! Tingin tayo ng mga magagandang gamit doon. Bilis! Dali!
Wala talagang kapaguran to si Remy,
While chocolates and imported goods used to overflow from me into my family in the province, my newly found native products are now my latest interests. And I found it very exciting to share with. The native stores now are my new realm. My world.